When you choose ACT's Ferguson Conference Center for your Teams meeting, we provide you with everything you need to make your event truly hybrid, with the mic, speaker, camera, and projector integrated for reliable, easy use. Hello there! My name is CJ Arevalo. I'm an intern here at ACT in Facilities AV. I'm here to tell you about getting your meeting started in an ACT conference room. The first thing to know is you'll be logging into a dedicated room PC and using Teams to connect to your meeting's online video, content, and audio. First, power on the room AV system using the iPad or wall-mounted touchscreen. Select Room PC. If it's your first time logging into this room PC, you may need to stop OneDrive, update Teams from the ACT Software Center, then restart the room PC. Once you're settled in and Teams is running, test your audio by clicking the three dots in the top right corner, choose Settings, and then Devices. Your audio devices should look like this. With these systems all set, you are ready to join your meeting. When your event concludes, restart or sign out of the room PC, but leave the room PC laptop powered on to allow for software updates. Power down the AV system from the iPad or wall-mounted touch panel. Reach out to Facilities AV with any questions or concerns or submit a request via forms at this link to learn more about how we can support your connected meetings, digital media, and adopting new digital workplace technologies. Thank you for watching.